Most people think that landing a product manager job is all about applying more jobs, adding more certifications, and sending more resumes. But the top 0.001% people, they don't play this game. They play a game in a different way. They don't chase the jobs, rather companies chases them. They don't apply, they position themselves. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you that what these top 0.001% people do differently than the remaining 99.999% people who are still waiting to get their resumes shortlisted or their profile shortlisted. Let's get into the 5 hidden levers of the top 0.001% aspiring PMs. We will start with the foundation, that is elite mindset shift. So basically, here is where 99% of the PM aspirants go wrong. They are chasing job openings, but the top 0.01% create them through visibility and through proofs. Average PM aspirants think that the more I will apply, the more calls I will get. But the elite PMs thinks in the systems. The clearer my positioning, the more opportunities that I will get. So for them, quality is far more important than the quantity. And when I'm talking about the positioning, so what do they mean by it? So they focus on strategic positioning, which means like targeting the right industries, targeting the right companies, right type of the PM, because there are multiple type of PMs out there. The growth PM, the technical PM, the business PM, the data PM, design PM, and targeting the right role level as well. Should they apply for the PM intern? Should they apply for an associate PM? Should they go for a PM, senior PM, director, for which all position? And also, the visibility and the proof of work attracts inbound interest for them from the companies that they are interested towards to getting into, rather than they are chasing them. So let me give you a quick example of one of my mentees, Sugandh. She didn't apply in hundreds of companies. We together defined her positioning correctly, that where she should be positioning herself, and then she only targeted and applied only in the handful of the companies. And the best part is that within a few weeks she started getting inbound calls from the hiring managers and the recruiters from these companies. And that is what starts happening when you operate like the top 0.001% people out there. And listen, if you are watching this video and thinking that, hey Sachin, I am doing the same thing like the other 99.999% people out there, and I want to change my game, so in that case, I can definitely personally help you on this particular part. So what you have to do, you can click the link in the description and book a one-on-one demo call with my team. So my team will be sitting with you, and based on your previous skills, based on your previous background, they will be creating, and based on your right fitment, they will be creating your right positioning like the top 0.001% aspiring PMs. And also they will be creating a step-by-step roadmap for you to get into this product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way. Alright, let's move on. So once you have set up your mindset, then the second thing that comes into the picture is that is showing the proof. And that's where the second lever, that is product portfolio advantage, that comes into the picture. Okay, so average aspiring PMs chases degrees and certifications like crazy. They are mindlessly, they are like investing their money, their time, their energy into these certifications and hoping that they will get opportunities from there. But hiring managers, literally, they don't care about your credentials. They care about that how you think like a product manager, that do you have that right potential? Because as a product manager, you should understand that you are not just building the products, you are building the business for the organization, and the companies want to hire someone who is having that particular thought process, who is having that practical knowledge about it. So your portfolio is your proof of that thinking. So that's why you need to build literally a very strong product portfolio, proof-based portfolio. So when I'm talking about a proof-based portfolio, what it should comprise of. So in that case, it should have some UX designs, prototypes, or wireframes included in it, because this will showcase to the hiring manager that yes, you can solve a problem and you can also create a solution for that. Secondly, you should have some PRDs, 2 to 3 PRDs at least included in it. You should have some case studies or the tear downs included in it. And the most important thing is that you should have some working products that you have built right from the scratch to the launch in the market. You should have that in your product portfolio. And the best part is, because in this beautiful era, you can use AI, you can use no code tools, and you can easily build the products using a lot of tools out there in the market like Lovable, Bolt. A lot of tools are available that you can use, and you can build your products. And even you can check out a video that me and Palash had done, over where Palash had personally showcased over there. He's the director of Dream 11, product director at Dream 11. We have showcased that how you can build a product from the scratch and launch into the market. Okay, so that is literally very important. So, and most important thing is this, that each project should prove that your decision making and storytelling ability, this is literally very important, because that's what exactly the hiring manager is looking for. One of my mentees, Harsh, he built an MVP using the no-code tools, not just to sell, but to showcase the process, his product thinking process. And because of which, he easily made a transition into the product management role from the business analyst role in just 2 months of active job search. So this proves that proof works far more than the potential. Now moving to the third lever, which is strategic resume and LinkedIn positioning. So here the thing is that the top 0.001% PM aspirants understand that it's not about what you have done. It is about how you are perceived by the hiring manager or the recruiter out there. So that is literally very important. And that's why the top these top 0.001% PMs, aspiring PMs, they don't list their tasks. They show the impact and the metrics in this. Okay, so there is a simple exercise. A lot of time people have this thing. Okay, Sachin, how should I come up with these? How can I come up with the metrics, because I'm not involved into that? So in that case, I will recommend you to go through this so what exercise. So if you are making like, okay, I had developed this particular feature. If you, let's suppose you are a software engineer, so in that case, ask yourself, so what? क्या फर्क पड़ा उससे? Then you will come across the next question. Okay, because of this thing has improved. Okay, then so what? So let's suppose because of that particular feature, the churn had dropped off. So what? So that had led to a recurring business or something so tangible that can be measurable, and that will be a real impactful thing for the hiring managers or your business. That is something that you need to showcase over there. So this is how you need to think over here. Now the second thing is that average aspirants, they obsess over resumes and they totally neglect the LinkedIn. Guys, you should understand this thing, that resumes can be easily created. Resumes can be easily modified with the help of the ChatGPT or any other tool out there. But especially for this product manager role, the recruiters rely more on your LinkedIn, not on your resumes. Because resumes are easy to manipulate, but LinkedIn's are not. So that's why LinkedIn is the number one asset that you need after your portfolio. And the next thing is that elite PMs, they treat LinkedIn as their brand storefront. This is very, very important, because there is a popular saying that जो दिखता है वही इस दुनिया में बिकता है. So that's why you should build your LinkedIn as a brand storefront. I always mention that you are also a product. And in a job interview, what you are doing, in a job opportunity, you are selling yourself. If you are not able, it doesn't matter how good the product is. If you are not able to sell yourself, that's a problem. So LinkedIn helps in branding or marketing of your product. So for that, you should be doing consistent posting that helps in the perceived authority out there. I'm sure that you must have seen on my LinkedIn. If you're not checked out, you can check out my LinkedIn profile. You can find the link in the description. So if you will see, okay, I'm regularly sharing about the product management stuff. So that helps the people in perceiving an authority that yes, this person knows about product management. Then you should be optimizing your headline, your banner section, your portfolio, your profile photo, your featured section, your about section. Okay, you should have your portfolio linked in your LinkedIn profile. And the most important thing is that you should be doing a regular posting, and along with that, you should be doing strategic commenting on the other people posts as well. That is what I call the value driven commenting, because when you do the posting plus the VDCs together, it skyrockets the growth of your LinkedIn profile, your branding on the LinkedIn profile, which attracts a lot of opportunities for you. So this is very, very important here. And now moving to the fourth lever, which is mastery in product sense plus execution plus storytelling. Average aspirants, they think that if they will learn tools, they will become product managers. But the elite ones know that tools are easy, but the thinking is literally very, very important over there. Tools will help you in performing a task, but the thinking will help you in thinking that what task that you need to perform. That is literally important. So that's why this thinking is literally rare. Okay, they can break down, because these elite PMs, they can easily break down the product logically, they map user journey clearly and tell stories of the impact that sticks. So the top 0.01% aspiring PMs, elite PM, they combine the logic plus empathy plus clarity. So they can easily break down any product clearly, they articulate the user journey end to end, because the better you will articulate the user journey, better you will understand the user's pain point, you will understand that what they are going through right now, better you will suggest the logical improvements using the frameworks, and back it with the execution stories, the roadmap, the metrics and the trade-offs. So, and the most important thing is, okay, that these elite PMs, these top 0.001% aspiring PMs, they are literally very good at the storytelling. Okay, they are the storytellers of the impact. They don't talk about that, okay, I have done this thing. No, they talk about that what impact they have brought in. So their interviews sounds like the product narratives, not the rehearsed answers. Because when you are talking about, okay, I have done this, it sounds like, okay, everyone is doing the same thing, man. Everyone is talking about the same thing. Then what's the differentiator between you and that particular other people out there? So you need to stand out of the crowd in that case. I remember one of my mentees, Gaurav, he used to describe his role like, I created dashboards. And after the mentorship and the guidance, he reframed it as like, I help sales team reduce churn by 14% through the real-time insights. Can you see that what is the difference between this? So in the initial, he was talking about the responsibilities, but now he's talking about the impact. So same work over here, completely. So when you do these changes in your LinkedIn profile, in your resume, in your branding, okay, it completely differentiates the perception of the value, and that's what storytelling mastery looks like. So now move to the fifth is, that is the secret leverage. This is the secret leverage, the systems, the mentorships and the AI. Okay, so the average aspirants relies on the luck. That's the sad part, literally. Okay, and they are luck and the random preparation, because they are doing something from here, there, everywhere, whatever the thing that they get. They watch some YouTube videos, they watch some Udemy courses, watch some courses on LinkedIn learnings, go through some books, and they think that it will work. But the top 0.001% PM aspirants, they use a system that creates the predictable success. So what these systems include? They have a right learning system, structured roadmap with the milestones, which almost these 99.99% people who are aspiring for this role, they don't have. Secondly, they have the visibility system, the portfolio and the LinkedIn brand building. That is literally very important. And third is the preparation system that helps them with the mock interviews, feedback loops, AI powered practice. That is literally very important for them to crack this PM interview. So the point is that people think that mentorship will cost them some money, but the reality is that my mentorship accelerates the journey of someone who wants to get into this product management role by 5 times. So this is again very important thing. So the sad part is that solo learners, they take years. I have personally seen this. I have a lot of people, they had reached out to me about 2 years back. Now, when I connected with them recently, they are like, okay, Sachin, I am still in the same job, not able to switch, didn't get a path. But I have seen people, I have personally helped people with the guided approach, with the right learning system, with the right visibility system, with the right preparation system. They landed the product management role in 60 to 90 days. So that's the big impact out there. And that is the exact reason my mentees had landed into this product management role in just 60 to 90 days as well. Because they are not doing the guesswork, they have a right system with them, the right person to help them, right processes to to go through them, and that's why they have achieved this success. So that's all for this video. So these are the 5 levers that you need to work upon, that will make you in the top 0.001% PM aspirants, rather than being in the 99.99% aspiring PMs. So just follow these things. And yes, if you need a help in becoming a product manager, if you want to be in this top 0.001% elite PM aspirants, then definitely reach out to us. You can book the demo call by clicking the link in the description, and will be more than happy in crafting the personalized roadmap for you to get into this product management role in the smoothest and the easiest way. Because this is a system that we have already tested system that is already tested by thousands of aspiring product managers like you. So it's working, and it will definitely give the results to you as well. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.